For you people to come to do as it please. Our freedom that we fought for, it must be respected. And the worst part that we have actually observed, you even undermine our law enforcement. You've got no respect of our police. And these police are meant for the reason. That uniform is meant to protect the citizens of this country and other citizens who are coming illegally in our country. But those who are illegal in our country, they've turned our country into something else. Those people, they must go and fight in Nigeria. They must go and do Nigeria better as they claim that it's a better country. They're all flocking in this country. They pass all this country. They turn us into a dustbin where they can dump all their nonsense in our country. They claim to be economic migrants. But for them to be in our country with drugs, is that economic migrant? Putting our children into prostitution. Drug trafficking, it's all over. It's because of Nigerians. That is the only thing that they trade in our country. You go in town, you go all over. You see them in the street, pretending as if they're selling this fake clothes. Underneath there's drugs. We go in our township, they're associated, integrated with our South Africans to push their syndicate of drugs.